much snow we got last night. What the heck? There's my dad over there plowing, snow plowing. More than a foot of snow. Up to about almost 2 feet of snow. Wow. That's a lot of snow. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, yeah, pretty much a big snowstorm. Bye.